In this dataset with staff names, salaries, years of experience and the job title, we'd like to identify staff with salaries above 200,000 and number of years above 20 years. There are two ways of doing this. You can either use filters or use Excel functions. You can go to data, filter the data, then filter the data here so that we can get on number filters staff who are above or greater than or equal to 200,000. We type 200,000 here, then click OK. Then filter here those above 20, so greater than or equals to 20 years. Then click OK. So you get 5 staff who are above 20 years and whose salaries are above 200,000. You can also use Excel functions by using the if and function. So we'll type is equals to if and then check whether the salary is greater or equals to 200,000, comma, check the years here whether they are greater or equals to 20, close the bracket, comma, we can mark that with an X for those who are above 200,000 and above 20 years, and mark with Y those who are less than 20 years and less than 200,000. Then you close the bracket, then press enter. Then copy this downwards, then we can mark here as a comment. Thanks for watching. My name is David Kandia.